diagrams can be summaries in themselves. See, one trick I'll tell you, whenever you feel कि question का answer लंबा हो सकता है, whenever you feel कि it's possible that I might have end up writing more and yet I can't complete it, a good smart strategy is convert the answer into a schematic pictorial diagram, ताकि अगर छूट भी जाएगा point, you always say as discussed above in the diagram. I would recommend some diagrams which are summary like. In this, look what I'm doing. So I will say postulate, because ये पूछा है question. Postulate is Sial over Seema floating. So I'll draw continent. I will draw the ocean. I will say this is Seema. I will say this is Sial and this is floating. Inaccuracy is Sial and Seema concept. Inaccuracy is the forces of continental drift. Okay. On this side, the evidences of continental drift. Okay. I divide this into, like, I'll try to be a bit more creative. So we have shape fit, we have rock structure fit or match, we have fossil evidences. Today I have discussed about distribution of modern life forms, and we have climatic evidence. So agar koi point छूट भी जाता है, it doesn't matter. I can always say, as discussed in the diagram above, an examiner can look at this diagram and give you marks. You don't have to even see the complete answer. आपने जो भी पढ़ा होगा from whatever you've studied, you can take your notes. So this is one suggestion from my side. Try drawing diagrams and sketches which are summary in themselves. And it's possible time khatam ho raha hai. I will not discuss this one. Maybe I'll be very short in the shape fit. I'll discuss rocks a bit more. I'll discuss the climate a bit more. I'll discuss the fossils with a diagram maybe. So ये जो priority hai, you can manage if you get your overall structure fine.